Take down. Start. This appeal is directed against the order dated 25/9/2018 as passed by the High Court of Uttarakhand at Nainital in Criminal Division number 42 of 2018, whereby, the High Court declined to interfere with the order dated 28/10/2017 as passed by the Sessions Judge, Chamoli in Sessions Trial number 8 of 2017, discharging the accused respondent number 2 of the offence under section 376 of the Indian Penal Code, 1860 on the ground of lack of territorial jurisdiction, with liberty to the prosecution to proceed against the accused in the appropriate court, while also directing transfer of the case in relation to the other offences under sections 506 and 504 IPC to the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class, Gairsen, District Chamoli, para. The relevant background aspects and factual metrics of the case also not of much complications, but the operation of law, with regard to territorial jurisdiction for the offence pertaining to section 376 IPC and segregation of charges, calls for examination in the appeal with reference to the question as to whether the said offence under section 376 of the IPC and the other offences under sections 504 and 506 IPC fall within the ambit of one series of acts so connected together as to form the same transaction for the purpose of trial together in terms of section 220 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, The question above mentioned carries the particularities of its own in the present case, and the peculiarities have got confounded with cursory disposal of revision petition by the High Court with an erroneous assumption as if it were a case of challenge to the acquittal of accused respondent number 2, We are rather impelled to observe at the outset and with respect that, the impugned order of the High Court, it is cryptic one, where neither the facts nor the relevant questions of law have gone into appropriate consideration, and the case of discharge because of territorial jurisdiction has been treated by the High Court as that of acquittal, The aspect of the matter has indeed formed a point of contention before us, In the ordinary course, we would have set aside the order impugned and remanded the matter of consideration by the High Court, but, looking to the subject matter and the status of parties involved in this protected litigation since the year 2016, as also looking to the fact that, after trial, the accused respondent number 2 has been acquitted of the said offences under sections 504 and 506 IPC, we have considered it proper to deal with the relevant question on its merit in this appeal itself, para. The present case has its generals in the proposed matrimonial alliance by way of engagement of the appellant and respondent number 2, both being the residents of village Dhangidhar, Saliana Tehsil, Gairsen, District Chamoli, Uttarakhand, admittedly, they were engaged on 13/11/2015 at their village, para. Put in a nutshell, the allegations of the appellant had been that after their engagement, she was invited by the respondent number 2 full stop over.